The Salus TS600 is a surface-mounted temperature sensor and programmable thermostat for wireless control of Salus smart home devices. It incorporates all the features of an advanced thermostat and can be used with radiator heating, underfloor or electric heating, but is uniquely controlled by the smart home app. It can also be configured to act as a hot water timer. After a simple installation process, you will need to pair it with your Salus gateway to allow full control of its functions via the Salus smartphone app. It is ideal for use in areas where the occupants do not need direct physical control of the thermostat. Use it in a garage or a children's room and remotely control it completely from your smart home app. Create your own temperature schedules and even connect an additional floor sensor for more fine-grained control. The TS600 app-controlled thermostat is part of our comprehensive suite of Salus smart home products that bring efficient energy management, comfort and safety to your home.